What drives you? What's pushing you to move forward, and what's pulling you? There's always something that pushes us and something that pulls us. You know, it's interesting, as I look back at the things that pushed and pulled me, there was definitely a time when I got pushed. And that was going back to 2011 when I was working for a corporate company and I was being paid well. I was on the sunshine list and, and so here's the thing. In 3 months of being with this company, after 3 months, they called me into the boardroom and they said, "You're fired." And that was a real push because at the time, my wife had just had a second child. She was home with our 2 children, taking care of them. I was the sole income earner and I needed to get something going. And that was a real push. And then I didn't know what the pull was though, because I wasn't going to stay in that environment. I wasn't going to keep doing what I was doing. You know, it was interesting and it was fun sometimes, but not motivational, not inspirational. So there wasn't something pulling me. So that wasn't driving me. It definitely wasn't driving me to stay in that industry. So what happened is I started doing some soul searching, and through change of command and different people that I talked to, I ended up getting introduced to Bob Proctor. He talked to me about becoming a coach, and he planted that seed in my mind and my heart about becoming a coach and teaching others. And that was the pull. That was the pull that I needed. So I had the push, which was need to take care of my family, need to make sure they're safe and secure. And then the pull was for me to do something that was inspirational and that I could do and teach and inspire people around the world. So there's always a push and a pull. So if you don't know what's driving you lately, start thinking about, what is pulling you, because you probably know what's pushing you. This environment, this new world, this new market, this new way of thinking. It's changing everything. It's changing your beliefs, your paradigms. It's changing so many things. But you need to know that there's a push and a pull. And also know this. If you're working on your business and you're trying to build it, you have to have an intentional imbalance. There's never a complete balance. It's never going to be, happy balance between your relationships, your health, and your career and your business. Not ever going to happen. It doesn't work that way. You need to have an intentional imbalance and work on your business for a period of time, focused attention on it. And once you've put enough attention and time and effort into it, things will start to become habitual. Then you can take some more time out for your relationships and your health. So first thing you need to do though is find out what's pulling you, what's driving you, why do you want to move forward? You already know what the push is. It's just about surviving. We're all in survival mode now. So what are you going to do that's going to pull you forward and make you go for what you want and have that intentional balance? Focus on your business. Do things that are uncomfortable and get it going to the point where you don't have to think about it anymore. And you have a team of people. You have a self-managing business. These are the kinds of things that I do with my clients. And it's absolutely mind-blowing when they can see what's on the other side and when they can live the way they want to. So if you don't know what's driving you lately, think about what would inspire you. Ask yourself, what will inspire me? What can I do that's going to excite me and elevate me and cause me to become a better version of myself? Because that's really what this is all about, this whole life. You are becoming something better. And you have to think about what that is and focus on it and give it attention and imagine it. So I hope that this was valuable for you. And I want to thank you for listening in today. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.